Okay guys, time for the weight loss update. As you saw on the scale, I did put on 0.5 pounds. Last week I weighed 222.4 pounds and this week I weighed 223 pounds even. I put on weight the 0.5 pounds came from water weight. I'm on my monthlies and so I tend to retain water, so that's one of the reasons why. Despite that, I did lose weight when it comes to my fat percentage. So previously my fat percentage was 110, and this week when the doctor weighed, it was 106. So that's good, guys. I'm really happy about that, and I'm excited with how the program is going. My appetite suppressants are working. I'm not hungry during the day. I feel good when I eat. I don't feel dizzy or anything, so I'm having enough food. And the other thing my doctor advised me is that I should start walking. He advised strongly that I should incorporate walking now. So I'm going to start walking starting tomorrow. I'll start walking in the morning. I usually walk for like an hour, 45 minutes to an hour, which is around 2 miles, but I want to increase it to 3 miles every day. And I'm going to walk for the whole month of March. And then, I'm going to include doing like squats. I'm going to be doing a squat challenge with JJ Smith. I'm going to be using her program, and it's a gradual thing. You start like doing 25 squats to 22, 25, 50 until you get to like 100 and something. So I'll be showing you that in some of my videos. You see me doing like some squats and stuff like that. And I'm also going to do some ab work, like, just regular ab work, just to help flatten my belly. And guys, it's almost summer in 4 months, so I want to be ready for summer. So those are the things that you guys are going to see on this channel coming up, as well as me progressing on this journey. I'm excited, guys. I'm looking forward. I'm actually visualizing myself skinny right now. I'm visualizing myself losing weight in like 4 months at least. If I can drop about 25 pounds, 20 pounds in 4 months, I'll be happy with that. And I'm excited, guys. I'm just looking forward to this program. I'm just looking forward to losing weight and be healthy and enjoy myself. So guys, stick with me. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that every time when I post a new video, you'll be notified. And thank you so very much for watching, guys. Bye-bye.